Question 20 is the last question on the paper, so you would expect a reasonable level of difficulty and challenge on this question, and it's all about coordinates, so let's have a look. It says, here are two triangles drawn on coordinate axes, and we've got triangle A, triangle B. If we scroll down, it says triangle B is a reflection of triangle A in the x-axis. Two of the new vertices of triangle B are 10 across and negative 10 down, and 20 across and negative 30 down. What are the coordinates of the third vertex of triangle B? Remember, vertices is just a posh word for corners, and vertex is just a posh word for a single corner. So what they're asking is what is the coordinates of the third corner of triangle B? And they've given us two of the corners here. So let's go back to our diagram and let's see what we can do. Well, let's talk about the 3 points we've got. If we look at this point here, we know that that's minus 10 to the left and 40 up. Remember, if it's negative 10, remember your negative numbers, here's 0 in the middle, your negative numbers go to the left and your positive numbers go to the right. So negative 10 means negative 10 to the left. So this point here must be level with negative 10. And if this point here in pink is level with negative 10, then this point down here is also level with negative 10. Okay? And it's 40 up. So from 0 we've got to go 40 up to get level with this pink point. So I'm going to pop a little 40 there. Now if it's 40 up going this way, going the other side of 0, it must be 40 down. So this point down here must be negative 40. So going from 0 to this point here at the top is minus 10 across, 40 up. But to get to the corresponding point on the other side is going to be minus 10 across but 40 down. So this point will be minus 10 across and minus 40 down. The whole point of this is that the x-axis actually acts as a line of symmetry. So if this gap up here from 0 is 40, the gap down here must also be 40, but because you're going below 0, it's going to be negative 40. So it's minus 10 across, negative 40 down. Let's use a different colour for this point here. Well, this point is 20 across and 30 up. So because it's positive 20, that means we're going to the right. So across level with this blue point must be 20 across, and up we'd have to go 30 up, so this must be 30. So to get to the corresponding point that's symmetrical across the x-axis on the other side, which is this point here, it's still level with this 20, so we've still got to go 20 across. Let me put that in, 20 across. But this time we've got to go below 0. Now this gap we've just said is 30, but that's 30 above 0. So on the other side we've got to go below 30, so that's going to be negative 30. So this point is going to be 20 across, negative 30 down. So there's your negative 30. Notice that it's symmetrical either side of 0. So we've got 0, 30, 40, and on the other side we've got 0, negative 30, negative 40. Now we have actually only got 1 point left to talk about. So let's use an orange colour for this one here. Now this point is 10 across and 10 up. So this point must be 10 across, so this must be level with 10, and 10 up, so this must be level with 10 going up here. So 10 across, 10 up, and there's your point in orange. On the other side of this symmetrical line, which is the x-axis, it's still going to be 10 across, still positive 10, but this time we're going to go the same distance below 0, so it's going to be 10 below 0. Now 10 below 0 is negative 10. So our coordinate here is going to be 10 across and negative 10 down. So there we've got our 3 points. So if we scroll down, we can see which ones we've actually been given. We've already been given this 10 across, negative 10 down. So that one we've got already. We've got our 20 across and negative 30 down. So that one we've got already. Well, the one that we haven't got is this one here. We haven't got the minus 10 and minus 40. So that minus 10 and the minus 40 must be the answer that goes in this box here. That's the missing third vertex of triangle B. So in my answer box I'm putting minus 10, minus 40. A difficult question, but with a little bit of clear thinking and thinking about symmetry and equal distances on either side of the x-axis, I'm sure you can pick up some marks there.